Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Weinheimer from the 2PM group, here to present our project. And for our final project, we ended up doing Atari's Space Race. For this game, we did 2 players. Each one controls a ship, and the ships can move up and down. Player 1 does this through using the W key and S key, whereas player 2 uses I and K. Whoever gets to the top and dodges all of the incoming meteors will earn a point, and this goes on for 3 minutes. We've got a timer going right down the middle of the screen that will show you. Some requirements for this: we need to make sure that you have Python 3.8 or newer, as well as you need to have Arcade Python 2.6.1 installed and running on your machine. You can run it either through opening a terminal and saying Python 3-m pip install arcade, and then once you've installed all the required libraries, you can run it by opening up a terminal and typing Python 3 space race, or by going into something like Visual Studio Code and just clicking the Run Program button here once you're into your root directory folder. And then just like this, you use, I'm going to do just player 1 with the W and S key. You can go straight up. Make sure that you dodge all incoming meteors, and if you do and reach to the top, you get 1 point. If not, it resets you just like so. And this will continue on for the duration of this bar in the middle of the screen. But that's the game that we've got.